folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're checking out this fantastic device. It's from Sunny Health. It's easy to set up, easy to use, and it's going to give you that tight posterior and help your quads and give you some strong legs. Everybody hates leg day, but if you really want to get that strength in your body, even with your core, even stretch your back, this is the product for you. Now, some of the great aspects to this is it's easily adjustable. You want to go ahead and drop it down. If you're a shorter person, you want a different stretch, you can. Just that easy. On top of that, you can adjust the seat, move it in or back. I'm 6'3", I have no problem on this. I could be a lot taller and I would have no problem on this. My wife is 4'9". She has no problem with it because we can just drop the settings down, move the seat up, and she can use it just fine. That's because the good folks at Sunny Health are working so hard to make sure that you are able to use it, your spouse can use it, and your friends can use it. Now, on top of all that, it's sturdy, it's lightweight, and you can put it anywhere. It doesn't take up a ton of space. If you've got a home gym, this is a great solution for you. Now, I'm going to ask you to stick around because we've got so much up close coming up, but this is a really fantastic product that I know you're going to love. You're going to go ahead and pick yours up. All right. Oh, yeah, what a great workout here. Really tightening those back muscles. You can feel it. Oh, to give that curve that you know you want. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. If your question is, should you pick this up? The answer is yes. All right, let's do it again. All right, go ahead and get yours. You will not be disappointed. This is a fantastic way for you to get a great workout. All right, stick around for the up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video where you get to see this product up close and personal. Really fantastic. Now, it's got a variety of modes: count, time, and calorie. Very easy to use. Just press the two red buttons for whatever you want. I really do like, bring it down here, that you can adjust the resistance. Just clip this up here. You want to reduce the resistance, remove a couple bands. It's got 4 bands to adjust the resistance. Okay, very easy to use and straightforward. On top of that, you can move this seat back and forth with a twist of a screw to get it at the right spot for you. And you can see that's a pretty big variety for height and distance, so you can change that up. On top of all of that, let's move this accordingly. And I gotta show you, boop, boop. You can adjust the height. I've got it at a high position. If you wanna bring it down, you can bring it way down, and that gives a considerable amount of adjustment, right? You got somebody tall, set to a taller position. You got someone short, move it back down. That's going to make a real difference. Now, on top of all that, when you put it together, it's easily labeled left and right, and it's really only about 6 bolts puts this whole thing together. All right, folks, if you're looking for a fantastic product for a great workout, this one is among the best. Now, what else do I like about it? These rubberized handles are easy to grip, and you can grab from different positions. Give your back a great stretch. It's also lightweight to where you can move it around the house, and you can see these rubberized plastic knobs keep it from scratching everything up. Keep it from scratching up your floor. It's the Ride and Row Sunny Health. Really fantastic. You're going to dig it. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and pick it up for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Sunny is one of those premier brands that's been on Amazon with Amazon Prime for a long time. Get it from the Sunny Health store and start maxing out your booty. All right, folks, this is also great for stretching your back. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.